Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a twist out on my hair. I haven't did a twist out in a while. I don't think I did one this year at all, so I'm going to be doing one today. I cold washed, deep conditioned, and applied my leave-in off camera, and I'm going to show you guys what I used. So I used the Aussie conditioner to cold wash. For my deep conditioner, I used the Healing Power Hair Mask by Raw Sugar. And for my leave-in, I used the Strengthen and Shine leave-in from Shea Moisture. To start, my hair is parted in two sections, and I'm going to pin up the other side. I'm going to take the loose section and split that in half. Now making sure that my hair is detangled. I'm using olive oil to seal in the moisture, and olive oil has been my go-to for a while. It really helps in keeping my hair shiny and moisturized. For my twist out, I'm going to part in a small section. For my stylers, I'm using Camille Rose's butter gel and the Curlmaker gel. I want to make sure my hair is detangled good, so I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood brush. This brush detangles my hair really good. If you're looking for a good detangling brush, this is where it's at. I like to apply the butter gel first and then follow up with the Curlmaker gel. The butter gel is just that. It's more like a cream, so I like to use it as a moisturizer. I'm going to begin to twist my hair. And one thing I can say is I thought about backing out on doing this video because since my hair has grown a lot, it does take a minute to twist now. But I'm going to go ahead and try to pull through. I only use a small amount of the Curlmaker for hold because I want my twist out to be more voluminous than really being too defined. So just a small amount. My twists are so shiny and moisturized. Again, detangling is key for this particular twist out. Towards the end, you guys will be able to see how defined even just at my ends were. And that's because of me detangling my hair with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. So definitely detangling is key. You can choose what size you want your twist to be. My hair usually honestly does what it wants to do. So even when I do a small twist out, it usually always still turns out voluminous. But yeah, you can choose what size you want your twist to be. If you guys notice, I am winding the ends for that hold as well. So everything is pretty much repetitive now, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up. And by the way, I do apply water as needed. So again, my twists are moisturized and juicy, and I'm going to let it air dry overnight. I'm taking a small amount of the olive oil to help minimize frizz. And I pretty much took my time in taking the twist down. I'm just unraveling the opposite of how I actually twisted my hair. Once the twists are out, I'm going to stretch my hair off camera. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this twist out. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will chat with you guys in the next one. Can hear your heartbeat.